Hi, welcome. I don't know if you realize the last videos were, of course, a little bit technical, but it gives you a lot of freedom. It gives you the possibility to add applications like we're going to do an exercise to install Brave on your own personal repository. So there are two things you can do with your own repository. You can just build a package and put it there, done. And when you want to install it, you type sudo pacman -s brave/bin. And it's super fast installed since it's already packaged. You don't need to build it. The other way to install the same package is with a yay -s and then brave bin. If you know the name, you can actually exactly type it, and that's fine. But it will be built at that point in time. It takes longer. The second thing that's interesting is that if you're venturing your world into Arch Linux B, building your own ISO, then you can add this package that's actually just available only on AOR and nowhere else. But, well, yeah, I've done already the exercise and it's now available on my teaching repo. But normally it's just here, and you can never add things to your Arch Linux B that are not on Arch Linux, Arch Linux, and whatever we put on our Arch Linux repo ISO, which is a lot coming from AOR, but not Brave bin. So let's go through the motions again. You see it's installed already via the repo, but what did I do? You go to, let's go to a clean browser with no tabs open. Google is that for me. Well, Chromium. We go to AOR and we take a look at what we want. It's called, come on Eric, what is it called again? Brave, Eric, Brave, and then bin. And it's getting late, but I want to make this video. So Brave bin, Arch Linux, its version this and so, and then you download the snapshot. That's what I do always. Open it up again, show in folder. We have this that we can kill, that can go, that can go. Okay, extract here. This we don't need it anymore. This we don't need either. So we have this Brave bin folder. It contains the way to build the package. It's not the package itself, it's the way to build it, a recipe from time to time, I say. If we take this folder and we got it, we don't need it here. We're gonna put it in a separate place, a place where we're gonna put all our package builds. This is our package build. Let's move that guy to the desktop and Control V. So we have a package, a folder with all the things, ingredients to cook something up. So really a recipe. And we're going to build something new. Now in the video I created something. A build version 1 sh, which is going to build it in a Shroot environment, and you need to watch the video if you don't know what it is. So I'm gonna get this one as well and put it in Brave bin. And version 1, because of the fact that you're going to make hundreds of package builds, and then you know I've improved my build and it's called version 2 now. Okay, so you get the last, best, most efficient build script that you made. Now before I do anything, before I build it officially, I'm gonna always test it. So with a right mouse click, open, we're gonna do a make package. And then it's going to see what it's going to do. What's this, is it successful? Are there errors? Do I need to do anything? So it's going to download a source folder. In here, it's going to put the source that it finds. Let's put everything in the place where it should be, like so. We'll have to wait. Oh, there it is. We'll have to wait, I wanted to say, but it's already downloaded here, the source. These are links to one level up. Let me show properties. So a few levels up in here, you'll find the source, and that's the location. And in here is the actual, well, application, and it's already finished. Meaning he did whatever he needed to do in the package build, and he built himself a user, and then the bin in here is going to be the Brave libraries, Brave bin, lots of libraries, locales, which means languages often, share application, a Brave bin desktop, so you have a nice icon. Oh, it's not in here. So internet network, Brave. So it still needs to come on the blank, I see. But anyway, that's where it is, and then some licenses and Pixmaps to have an image, but we have our own image with our icons. So that's the technicality of the story. So fine, it builds. That's the only thing I want to know. It's gonna work. Here is your executable, if we can say that, your package, which is going to end in package star XZ. This is the original. That's gonna be built. Let's see what the content is. Licenses, okay. That can go, and the package build. So we're back to square one. This is what it was prior to the package build. What we're now gonna do is do a clean shroot. So using the command build version 1, we're going to build exactly the same package, but it's going to be actually in our shroot. In this environment, he's going to build things. But I believe I deleted a little bit too much in here. And in the trash, I'm gonna find something that I should not have removed. Restore. So that's the one that he needs. Try again, my friend. And this time he went past it. So he found the Brave bin, he found this, he found that, he found this, he found that. I said, okay, let's build it. And he's off building it. So like I said, it's going to be in here. That is going to have this Eric thing somewhere. He's going to build it in here, and that's the root one, and that's the Eric one. I did find it last time, but I must say I really don't know where to look again. But he's building this package. I see here source package destination, source destination. But in a few moments time, everything will be gone again. Package destination, we see something. Brave bin in here. But soon enough, you'll see that everything is gone when it's done compressing and done working with this package. It takes a while, it's a big one, it's 70 megabyte, which is pretty much not okay, but GitHub has its limitations. It's cuts off at 100 megabyte. At 70 megabyte it will complain, but it will let you put it online. So that's why if you see that some packages disappear and are put into our Nemesis script, it's because they're just too big to be on GitHub or on well, GitHub is actually the bottleneck, not seed host. And there we'll build it later on with our Nemesis script, but it's okay. Finished making it, fine. So that means if we go back and 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 back, well, let's go the easy way. This one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. So this package is the one we've created in the shroot. So let's get rid of the rubbish again. Rubbish, and that's why I have scripts. These scripts clean up my rubbish for me. So this is the one that needs to be cut in here, put on my repo, and the repo is here. And there was already a package, this one, which was just a make package, not a shroot. Control V. It's exactly the same. Well, it's not exactly the same thing, but it's for the end user, it's exactly the same thing. It's gonna be the Brave browser. Updating my package here. Update Brave and then shroot. That's what I did. And of course 70 megabyte takes the time it takes to update, and on my other computer there are already updates going on, so they're fighting for the bandwidth, the upload bandwidth. So let's pause the video. So like I told you, it's going to complain, warning, large files detected, but at some point in time it says nope, no, nothing more. The maximum size is 100 and recommended is 50. So that happens with all these bigger packages that we are stuck with building it ourselves. But why are we doing this again? Oh yeah, why? Because if you have your own installation, so let's do a clean install, remember, clean installation. Okay, fine, what you do, you go to your etc pacman.conf, you add your own repos, 3 lines, you add your own repo, then you save it. You're going to do an update, which means you tell Pacman, go and have a look on all these websites, these repos, what's in there. That's not from us, it just happens to be an update. And now you can see online in the repository repo teaching repo that Bravebin is here and OpenBox Teams Pambodi is here. So I can actually just, well, let's remove it. Let's say that's not there. You didn't see that. It's not there officially. So you have this possibility now to, after a clean installation, just say sudo pacman -s brave, because normally what you will do is type in brave and then go and have a look, and you'll just take this one. But we now have a choice between our own repo and this one. Now what will happen, let's say in a month's time, Bravebin will be updated and will become 67 and yours will be 66 still. Actually, that's not a problem for you personally, probably, but never mind. I mean, be alert, be on your alert that that's gonna happen, which means rebuilding the package if you want to have the last update. But for now, yay is not necessary because you have your own repo. You can just press this button, say yes, go, bam, and it's super fast installed. There is some cleaning up to do. So again, did you see what I did? Yes, enter, and let's go again, and there you go, it's installed. Done. So that's of course a lot faster if you pre-build it yourself, put it on your personal Arch Linux repo somewhere with a name. The teachings are there, the videos and articles are there, and then you can maybe well, use some more flexibility because it will be available at any time. Your repo, you're the master of the repo, you put on the repo what you want. You either update, you don't update, it's your thing. Nobody needs to ask you anything. You're the boss of your own repo, you put on there what you want. All right. Last thing, again, I repeat the power that these tutorials give you. If you have your own repo, this also means that I can now make a Arch Linux B. Right? I think everything is deleted. No, it's not deleted. So if we're making again, we were making a tutorial here how to add Adi Pambodi's OpenBox themes, but actually this means I can now put in Bravebin as well. That's the power. That's the tutorials. If you like that power, then follow the tutorials and the videos. Cheers.